It's your boy Jay Allen, back with another video. Jay Allen is back in the building. I really be hoping that y'all be having good days, good weeks, hopefully a good month. I'm coming at y'all with a special video. You see, I'm just chilling with my boy LT Gray in the cut. Say what's up to the people, bro. I've been waiting on this. I bought it just like last Friday. This is the unboxing of my first starting camera. Yeah. So as y'all can say, this is the Canon G7X Mark II. Blessed and highly favored, bro. This is the definition, yo. Like not even on no cocky, no flexing type stuff. This is like my everything, cause I'm really committed. I'm really dedicated. It's not just YouTube I'm trying to do. Like, if you follow my Instagram, you've seen like I've been putting stuff together. I guess you could say videography related, but I got a whole bunch of stuff I got lined in for me. In the past year, 2020, it's just been me finding my true self. Like, it's more to yourself than you think. It's not just one thing you can do. You can be amazing at multiple things. And then just don't be hard on yourself right now. Just continue to go through, thug it out, because you may not see the end goal right now, but if you have little accomplishments and just trust the process, it's gonna fall through. But enough of the motivational talk. Let's get back into the unboxing video. You feel me? I don't know why I'm doing it right here. I'm actually prop y'all up. Hold on, give me 1 sec. All right, so boom. As y'all see, you got the box here. Instructions. Oh, this is the actual camera. Oh. Jumping in a little too fast now. This is the battery charger. Canon battery charger. Actual batteries. The hand clip. And now onto the camera. Sheesh. Listen. This is your boy's new grown man purchase. I'm actually putting it. I'm actually try it out while I'm here. So I just open it, already put the battery in. For me, this is a big step for real, because I used to love watching YouTube. That's all I do. Like right now, if it's not sports, a TV show I'm either watching with friends, family, all I do is watch YouTube. And with watching YouTube, like, you get accustomed to the things that when you actually start YouTube, you actually start noticing what somebody's thumbnails look like. Transitions within a video, background music, the type of content somebody posts, and like what type of equipment stuff they use. Oh yeah, gotta love the motivation, yo. Just seeing 2 people running. I'm not gonna give my location, but if you was running today, you got your work in today, salute to you. But yeah, yo, if you start YouTube, I literally started out with an iPhone 12. iPhone 12, probably one of the best cameras on a phone, like right now. Has recording of 30 frames per second, 60 FPS, up to 4K, and it has HD. What else? Has all the stuff. Has the portrait, has the slow motion, has the time lapse. It's another feature that's not coming to my mind right now. But literally, all my videos before this one has been done on my iPhone 12, and then also and also on my iPhone 8. This is for B-roll. Sometimes I'm using my iPhone 12 for work stuff, or somebody calls, so I can actually just pull this out. This can be like the extra camera. That's literally all you need to start, at least for a camera. That's what I'd recommend, honestly. Like, either with whatever iPhone you have right now, or if you do get an upgrade, if you got an upgrade or have the funds, get an iPhone 12. I actually have the mini, but I mean any iPhone 12. But yeah, that's what I have personally. I have an iPhone 12. and have been using that for my past videos. And y'all can see the stuff I do for Instagram, I've done on my phone. And then for my computer, I have a Mac. Okay, back into the camera for real. I kind of went on a tangent. For me, buying this camera was a big inspiration and like motivational push for myself to continue the content and continue making videos, because now with this stuff is gonna look even better. I feel like I'm gonna have more opportunities. I have a whole studio in my room. I have an official camera stand. I have my ring light with my camera stand. I have an iPad, and I have this phone. Like, what? Like, first off, not many people are able to say that. And for me to be able to say that, that's a blessing. Oh, and hold on. I don't even know if I shout out my bro. Hold on. Yo, y'all see the shirt, Apply Pressure. Shout out my bro Destin, at Destin to be great, at 4CE Apparel, all on the Instagram. Cop his apparel. I got one coming in, bro. Make sure that it gets to me so I can wear it in another video. Links will be in the description of his Instagram and his actual webpage. I'm not even ready to cap. I just got interrupted by one of those spam calls about my vehicle I own. Alright, so boom. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness. This always happens. And so boom, we back here with it. Got everything situated with it. Waiting for the battery to charge. But in the meantime, I did just want to show y'all some of the cool things of the camera. Strap on it. Always got the strap on me. So it turns on, it come out. If you have a vlogging, and you know, sometimes when you got the camera, if you got the phone, you know, you could turn it, you could flip it. Like, oh, I might have felt like I cut my face out or something, you know. Stuff happens like that. Cool thing about this one, feature, if you ever do vlog and you vlogging like this and you want to turn it, and you want to see yourself. Boom. Got the video lens at the top for her. So you can see yourself, you know. If I had it on, you know, y'all be able to see me and all my other stuff behind it. You don't want to see all that. Another cool thing, I knew about this one. I knew about the lens flip, you know, because it's regular right now and it flip up. Let's say you at a concert for real. Packed, dumb packed. Let's say you at Meg Thee Stallion. Oh my God. You know, you trying to put it up for real, and you can't see. Like, I might just be a geek, but it's kind of hard for real. Like, recommend it? Yes, because of all the reviews I've seen of it, I bought it. And what the content that I'm about to show y'all with. Yeah, of course, if y'all stay tuned to the content, yeah, I'm gonna be using that camera a lot. So now we actually ready to get into it. I'm not even ready to cap. This is like for me, this is just my personal, like, y'all can see what I'm seeing, see the stuff that I like, what I don't like about it. I don't have no memory card right now. I'll probably pick that up tomorrow. I did make an order for that. Let's see how I look for real. Clear vision for real. Got the scan, got the scope. Nice. It is like an hour, maybe two, a little later for this outro, because I've been messing with the camera and doing other stuff for real. But I hope y'all enjoyed my little unboxing video I kind of did, and my this quick talk with y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope I put a little inspiration or motivation onto your heart, onto your mind, onto your everyday life for real, just to get started on what you want to do. This was a huge accomplishment for myself, because I actually wrote this in my journal that I would have one. I would buy a camera by the end of January. And look where we are now for real. Hope the motivation you got from this video or from me and what I be posting and whatnot pushes you to do more, to excel more, to value more. And yeah, that's been a video for the day. A tech box opening of the Canon G7X Mark II. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Just for me, please. And, you know, we signing off. Hit it with me. Gang.